Today we are talking about one of South Africa's most soulful voices right now, Intoba Yes Dubai, and his powerful new song, Enjimbonj Amdalai. If you love music that hits the heart and feeds the soul, this one is for you. Intoba Yes Dubai, whose real name is Lindo Kumsomi, is a South African singer and songwriter known for blending traditional Zulu sounds with modern Afropop and Afro-soul. He first caught major attention after featuring on Big Zulu's massive hit, Mali Inenji, alongside the late Rykie Ryk, a song that became one of the biggest tracks in South Africa. Since then, Intoba has built a strong fan base with his emotional storytelling, powerful vocals, and music that often touches on love, gratitude, relationships, and life struggles. Songs like Njam Thenda Amantu prove that he's not just a feature artist, he's a star in his own right. His sound feels traditional but modern at the same time, deeply rooted in culture, yet relatable to today's generation. Now let's talk about the new song, Enjimbonj Amdalai. The title translates from ISI Zulu to I thank the Creator, or I thank God. And just from the name alone, you can already feel the message. This song is expected to focus on gratitude, thanking God for blessings, growth, protection, and making it through life's challenges. Knowing Intoba's style, it's likely filled with heartfelt lyrics, strong emotion, and that signature soulful delivery that connects instantly with listeners. It's not just a song, it's a testimony. And in a time where many people are going through personal battles, a track centered on gratitude and faith could really resonate with fans. Intoba Yes Dubai continues to prove that he's more than just a feature artist, he's becoming one of the voices representing authentic, culturally rich South African music. What do you think about his new direction? Are you excited for Enjimbonj Amdalai? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more music stories just like this.
Angeyona impilo lewa ungiphilisa yona ngazi nokuthi lento wawibiza ngani namhlanje ngithi angimbonge umdali ngokuthi angihlukanise nawe Thandi angeyona impilo lewa ungiphilisa yona ngazi nokuthi lento wawibiza ngani ngoba ngifanga ngibonga ithuba lokuphila mina ngangasathembi lutho uthi ngingathola injabulo empilweni yami ngingathwalisa umuntu icala ongangenzanga lutho lapho engibuya khona ubuya ungaya kodwa ukubuya mngani wami angikuthembisi lutho ngikalela isikhathi sami engisichithe khona egameni lothando vele ngangisiza lutho umuntu uma umthanda umyekeli namhlanje ngithi angimbonge umdali ngokuthi angihlukanise nawe Thandi angeyona impilo lewa ungiphilisa yona ngazi nokuthi lento wawibiza ngani namhlanje ngithi angimbonge umdali ngokuthi angihlukanise nawe Thandi angeyona impilo lewa ungiphilisa yona ngazi nokuthi lento wawibiza ngani ngoba ngifanga ngibonga ithuba lokuphila mina ngangasathembi lutho uthi ngingathola injabulo empilweni yami ngingathwalisa umuntu icala ongangenzanga lutho lapho engibuya khona ubuya ungaya kodwa ukubuya mngani wami angikuthembisi lutho ngikalela isikhathi sami engisichithe khona egameni lothando vele ngangisiza lutho.